You can compare the rankings of a stock versus another one side by side using our compare function so that you know which stock is doing better on what metric. So if I want to compare Apple to another tech company, for example Microsoft, I can just tap on this compare icon and then choose add to compare, and then if I want to select Microsoft, which is not in my watch list, I can just search Microsoft, it shows up, I tap on it, and it's then added to the comparison table. And there you go, you have Apple versus Microsoft side by side. And as you can see, since Microsoft is winning on quality, that's when we highlight with the green color. And within quality, specifically, you can see how the sub-factors are comparing one versus the other. And Apple is winning on profitability and capital allocation, and Microsoft is winning on financial strength. You can click the less icon to see the collapse view. So overall, you can really see Apple and Microsoft are comparing head-to-head quite closely on all these metrics. No one is clearly winning overall. So what's the best way to use the comparison feature? It really comes down to what type of investor you are. If you are a momentum investor, that is, you want to buy a company that is doing financially and operationally better than expectations and seeing positive revisions to its revenue and earnings forecasts, Microsoft here is definitely winning in that area. Or if you care about ESG, that is environmental, social and governance issues, you can also clearly see that Microsoft is winning on all those metrics. And finally, the other place to start this comparison feature is through the bottom of the Discover tab. It works pretty much the same. So choose Apple and then Microsoft, and you will land on the same results as you did before.